If you spend a single summer in Alaska, you'll experience multiple seasons. This is berry season.
I've been learning all the words as I listen to the same old songs.
I wish I could convey how therapeutic it's been to spend hours and hours and hours on my hands and knees crawling through the moss, braving downpours, just hunting for the most beautiful wild strawberries. It's been my saving grace for a few weeks now.
Unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin.
Berry season speaks to Alaskans on a primal level. This is the harvest before winter. It's funny how even someone like me, who grew up in the suburbs, succumbs to the instinct to start picking. I can feel some sort of primitive urgency in my brain and body. And in these parts, people aren't just harvesting berries. The salmon are running. The community is hitting the trails and the local fishing spots with their rods. I'm no angler, but even I'm out there trying to catch zombie salmon with my bare hands. It's been a blast.
No, I won't hold back and I won't keep out the dark. I know we don't talk about. I'll have my fears, but I'll have no doubt. It's at my door and it's knocking.
Thanks so much for watching.